This is video presentation from Group 2. Let me introduce our group members. I am Nur Fadila binti Aris.
Hi, I am Nur Ashira binti Roslan.
Hi, I am Masliana binti Pun.
Hello, my name is Farah Suraya.
Hi, I am Nur Izzati Izziani binti Zulkifli.
Let's start by getting to know a little bit about us from the management team of iTech Cybernetics Dream Berhad. First, the director is Masliana binti Pun. The HR manager is Nur Fadila binti Aris. The sales manager Farah Suraya binti Fairizai, accounting manager Nur Ashira binti Roslan, and the operation manager is Nur Izzati Izziani binti Zulkifli. So what does iTech Cybernetics Dream Berhad do? Our company is a new company that was established on 1 April 2019, where our first store was located in Kuala Johor. We are producing a safety kit product, which is a self-defense item for women to use when they are in any kind of danger. Basically, teenagers and adults are our target consumer or target market due to them being the most victim in most crime cases. Therefore, our company created safety kit with concept of easy carry, affordable and friendly use for women. The mission statement of our company is to make your safety as our priority, and the vision of our company is to enhance and empower women's self-defense when facing any danger.
Okay, so moving forward to the SWOT analysis. First is organizational strength. So compared to our competitors, they already have a variety of resources to be sent by their regular suppliers. Among them are the raw materials that will be used in the manufacture of the variation of self-defense products. However, our company also having the uniqueness in serving a variety of self-defense tools in one purchase, which are set box. So we provide a variety of colors that customer can choose and make it their own theme for each tool or make it one set. So rather than that, the price that we provide also with it with the function and pattern. The second is organizational weaknesses. So our business are new in the industry of making self-defense tools, which are called as safety kit. In that particular, we need to face an inadequate supply chain to produce more output in the market. As for now, we just can supply in a few stalls and online platform that we still have to limit order for each customer. Compared to Alibaba and Safety Technology Company, which are our competitors, they already had a specific website to collect the order, also had a permanent and private supplier, so they can produce the products more than us. The third point is opportunities. So our company already use the latest technology in terms of management and production, rather than our competitors, which are Alibaba and Safety Technology. They need to spend their energy and money to upgrade their technology as well according to the passage of time, such as giving training to their employees or hire a new employee who knows or technology expert also. They need to improve their production by using technology. Okay, so last but not least is trade. So as we know that the outbreak of COVID-19 has caused our company to face a shortage of suppliers of goods because they are quite affected with will have to limit production cost of to reduce the manpower for cost reduction. Therefore, our monthly production had to be limited to about 20 to 13%. However, our competitors, which are Alibaba and Safety Technology, are also experiencing the same thing in terms of output cuts because of a shortage of raw materials as well as a shortage of workers.
Let's start the first PMC element for our product. First, customer relationship. It describes the type of relationship a company established with its specific customer segments. We created relationship based on automated service. This type will give customer access to customized service. We offer all the information related to product for orders or transaction through online. For example, customer can purchase safety kit from official website to get it. Besides that, we also based on personal assistance of customer relationship, where it created a human interaction. Customer can communicate with our representative to get help during the sales process or after the purchase is done. They can contact our hotline call to get further information. Second, revenue streams. Revenue stream is created by granting someone their exclusive right to a particular asset price that paid by customers. This type of revenue stream is revenue from goods sales or service fee. One of the revenue models that we use is transaction-based revenue, which is it proceeds from sales of goods that are usually one-time payment.
Third key partner, we have 4 key partner. The first one is online marketer. We commercial our product by using Lazada, Shopee and our website. Second, China manufacturer. Do packaging, which is pack the paper spray, stick and lipstick knife into the box. Third, supplier for raw materials such as metal for keychain, small bottles for paper spray, material for stick, which is carbon fiber, and the last is printing company for printing company logo and banners. Fourth is cost structure. We also have 4 cost structure. The first one is raw materials. We need to pay to supplier for the raw materials. Second, pay for employee salaries and China manufacturer. Third, shipping fees, as we need courier to pass the product to the end user. And the last is company printing. We need to pay for logo and banners.
Key activities. Key activities in our product is the value of product added by being promoted to various platforms for a marketing. For example, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Next, the product is being created and sold that involve relationship with customer and discover customer needed for the product. Next, the production of the product also very cheap for customer to buy it. It will make the product very eye-catching for the customer as it is a good product for women and cheap. Lastly, customer experience related activities such as customer service and consulting about what is special for our product, which is self-defense tool. Key resources. There are many resources that our product have. First, physical resources such as the factory, machine, and raw good to create the product. Next, intellectual resources, which is our product brand, patent, copyright, partnership, and customer database. Next, human resources such as staff or marketing. Lastly, financial resources such as cash and credit.
Number 7 is the channel. Channel is where we promote it using social media such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Besides social media, we also use online shopping platform such as Shopee, Lazada, and our official website.
So point number 8 are referring to the customer segment. A customer segment may also be characterized by demographic variables such as age, about 15 years old and above, race, occupation, gender, especially for women, or by personality traits such as shopping habits, preference, and motive for them as reminder to be more careful in every situation. By referring to the factors of customer segment, our products are focusing on mass market. It is because our products are appealing or fulfilling the needs of a diverse cross-section of the population and making little distinction between separate customer segments. Okay, so lastly is about value proposition. Our products are regular item of self-defense that provide a unique combination in terms of buy one, get two function, which are as cute keychain that will provide a variety of safety tools inside. Safety kits can be bought anywhere and will protect them during an emergency or urgent case.
This is our product prototype of self-defense tool. First tool is a stick that can be extended. For the stick, the material used is PVC as it is thick and hard enough to defend from danger. Next, a lipstick shaped tool but actually a small knife. Lastly, a paper spray bottle that can be used to spray the eyes to give a painful taste. We also give a free gift which is the safety alarm and keychain holder for the tools.
In conclusion, we hope that our product will always be in good quality when reaching the end consumer, which is our customer, and reach the customer satisfaction and help them during emergencies. In the meantime, we want to help reduce the case of crime. We also hope in the near future our product will still be in the market and still in demand. Thank you.